Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically search for videos and how you can filter them on CapCut PC. So if you're in local and you're in import, just select library and then you can search for the videos that you want or photos. So for instance, you typed in like food and you want it to be a food video and not like a picture. So select type and select videos, and you can also select the orientation that you want the video to be in. For instance, you want it to be portrait. It's going to show up videos that are in portrait mode and videos as well, and you can just add it to your timeline. So simple, and they have a lot of options you can choose from. And you can be more specific with it. For instance, maybe like cake. You can try to search for that instead, and they'll show you like different videos of cakes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!